It is your determination and persistence that will make you a successful person. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, top dog. What is the meaning of the idiom top dog and how can we use this idiom in our sentence? This is what we are going to deal in this class. Let's get into the lesson. Top dog. A person who is successful or dominant in their field is called top dog. A person who has achieved a position of authority is called as top dog. The most important person or organization in a particular situation is called a top dog. A person, group, or thing in a position of authority, especially through victory in a hard-fought competition, is called top dog. If a person or organization is top dog, they are the most successful or powerful one in a particular group. So, top dog means a leader, an important person in the company, a person who is in the top position in a company. Look at the synonyms for the word for the idiom top dog. Boss, chief of the company, influential person of the company is called as top dog. So far we have discussed the meaning of the idiom top dog. Top dog means an important person in the company, a leader in the company. A person who is the authority of the company is called as top dog. Let's use this idiom in the sentence. Ram's position as a top dog was now under threat. It means Ram's position as a leader or as a boss was now under threat. Regan has never concealed his ambition to be the top dog. Regan has never hid his ambition to be the top dog. And the last example, this company is top dog in the food retail market. It means this company is the boss in the food retail market. So, in this class, we have discussed the meaning and usage of the idiom top dog. Top dog means an influential person in the company, an important person who occupied that position through victory in a hard-fought competition. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.